You need to spot. What is spotting? Focus on one point instead of everything in the room. Today we talked about the right turn, yes, and the crossbody lead. So if we do the right turn on our own, we're gonna do it in least timing and follows timing. So least timing first, we go forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic. 1. Now we're gonna do it using a prep. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We do it again. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7. One thing that we didn't mention today, but we're gonna have to do this from now on, is spotting. You need to spot. What is spotting? Focus on one point instead of everything in the room. Otherwise, your head is gonna do the same thing. That's when we use the prep. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. That's gonna carry you around this motion. Then we're gonna use it doing a corner, which is what we're doing right now. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, we're still spotting. 2, 3, then we go 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, we go 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, we go 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Yes? Follow time. 1, 2, 3, 5. Using the prep. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Corner. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Yes? Then crossbody lead. Follows first. Here we go. 1, 2, door is open. Right now we should be on waiting mode instead of going ahead of time. Yes? 3, we're gonna step on 5. We're gonna keep progressive going. 6, progressive back going. 7, so you have your weight evenly, and then 1, 2, 3, instead of doing 5, bringing your feet together. 6, 7, you're gonna fall because you're trying to bring your feet together instead of progressively go back. Okay, if I face this way, 1, 2, 3, progress, 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 and 1, 2, 3. For the leads, we open the door. 1, 2, 3. Yes, but we go this direction. As we go forward, we get away. We gotta open the door. 1, 2, 3. We do 5 and 6, 7. I'll do it again. I open. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6, 7. Yes? Instead of doing it like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and not moving. You gotta progress. Now with the follow. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5. We prepare. Down and up. Turn the follow. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Decoration. 1, 3, 5. Crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Preparation. Down and up. 5, 6, 7. Turn. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. How can you make this combo your own? Add a basic in between. Between what? Each move. Because sometimes if we just think of sequence, and if this doesn't happen, the sequence is done. Basic. Okay, I can do it now. Let's go. I wasn't ready. And it's okay. 5, 1. Okay, I'm gonna do it from the other side. So I'm gonna add a basic in between. 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Add a basic in between when you need. Whenever you're struggling, just add a basic so that way you can reset and you can do it. See or see?
See.
Yes. All right, guys. Good job.